Do you think you're an expert in Python? I have gathered a list of features that I think are used so rarely that you might not know about them. First, let's look at a feature of the zip function. Usually, it is used to combine items, but if we put an asterisk before the argument, we can do the exact opposite. We can split a list of tuples into two separate lists. Next, we have a way to easily count the number of times an element occurs in a list. We can just import a simple function and we get a dictionary of the occurrences. Normally, the enumerate function starts at 0, but sometimes we need to add a number to that. You can just add a number to the index, but to keep your code as clean as possible, you can set the starting index right in the enumerate function. If you need to set a certain variable to a number, but also need to run an if statement on the variable in a mutated state, we can use the walrus operator. The slots attribute allows for explicit definition of what attributes can exist within a class. This can save memory and save you from typo errors. If you made it this far in the video, I guess you liked it. Would you mind liking and subscribing? It really helps small channels like mine to grow.